Hey everybody, welcome to Wild Birch's Fun Time! Today we're going to be teaching you how to make slime. And now I'd like to introduce you to my assistant, Jo the Science Girl.
Hi everybody.
First, let's go through the ingredients you'll need to make this amazing slime.
Slime. I love slime.
You'll need 1 teaspoon of borax powder.
You'll need 1.5 cups of water.
You'll need glue, like Elmer's glue. You'll need about 4 ounces or 1/2 cup.
You'll need food coloring, 3 drops or less. You'll need something to stir your all your ingredients together. We're using chopsticks.
I'm also going to use a scale to measure out the glue for 4 ounces. Next, here are the tools you'll need for the slime.
You'll need a teaspoon for the borax powder. You'll need a measuring cup that's 1/2 cup.
You'll need a small bowl or a container for your glue and water solution. You'll also need a big bowl like this that's going to hold your borax solution as well as eventually your slime. Now it's time to make the slime.
Slime.
First, you're going to pour 4 ounces of glue into your smaller bowl or container. We're going to use the scale to measure it out. Now we're going to add 1/2 cup of water to the glue solution. Now we're going to add the food coloring to the glue and water mix. Now we're going to stir it up so it all gets mixed together. Now we're going to put this glue aside and we're going to work on our borax mix. In your big bowl or container, we're going to mix 1 cup of water with a teaspoon of borax. You could take your other mixer and break up the pieces of borax if there are any chunks in there. Now you're going to take your glue with your food coloring and you're going to mix it slowly into the borax solution while you're stirring it.
Now for the extra slimy part.
So you're pretty much going to take your hands and you're going to dig in and you're going to scoop up all of the slime. And you're going to massage it in your hands. And it's going to feel like it's like really watery and slippery, but the more you play with it, the firmer it's going to get. Eventually, it's going to get a pretty good consistency that is not... It's going to get less sticky and it's going to firm up the more you play with it. Eventually, it becomes just like this, easy to play with.
Wow, how'd you do that?
Less slimy, not like dripping, but still
Mine
pretty
does
slimy.
not feel slimy.
Ooh.
I have some.
Now for some tips and tricks. You don't want to get the slime on your clothes or in your hair or on the tablecloth or in the carpet. It's going to be hard to get out. Not impossible, but it'll be sticky. Also, for storing your slime, you'll want to do it in like a container like this with a top that you can put it on. It'll keep it fresh, it'll keep it from drying out. Well, that's it. Making slime is quick, easy, cheap, and fun to do. And it's especially a perfect rainy day activity. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget, especially, to play every day. See you guys later.